Hello again, everybody, and welcome to Apps for Outdoors. This app is from the world's foremost outfitter, Cabela's. It is $4.99 and it is called Cabela's Recon Hunt. This is pretty awesome. It allows you to download map packages on your iPhones for viewing maps in remote areas. The Recon Hunt is the first mobile navigation app built solely for hunters. There are some that we've reviewed here on the show for backpackers, mountaineering, and kayaking, and everything else you can do outside. But this allows you to find hunting spots on detailed maps, track wildlife, and more, get weather forecasts, and more. So let's say we were going to look at an active trip. We'll show you what that looks like when we hit our four-wheeler there. It lists all the waypoints and current media that would be stored on a particular trip that we're on right now. We don't have any stored, but should we? It allows us to go and observe that and look at and make changes. We'll go to ballistics right here. This is actually pretty interesting. It loads different information on ballistics, thus the title. Everything from manufacturer to caliber, bullet type, and bullet weight, depending on the type of game that you're going to be hunting. Blood trailing is also a pretty interesting one. Gives you several features with a map function there, allowing you to create a trip in this for the particular type of blood trail you're wanting to do. Of course, it's got a compass, not unlike many of the compasses you'll find on mobile devices. The computer one right here actually allows you to compute your current information, your speed, your time, distance to the next point, elevation changes, the pace that you're at, so on and so forth. You've seen that on previous apps, but this one's neat because it interfaces with all the other neat stuff for hunters as well. You can go to gear list and it allows you to plan out your trip for the type of gear that you're going to need. Internet requires internet connection, which I'm a little bit out of Wi-Fi here, and but you get the idea there. The guide trip here again is basically going to be a list of other trips that you've done. It'll help menu, maps, moon and sun information, which is always great information for hunters and fishermen and so on and so forth. Gives you your moonrise, your moonset, and so on and so forth. Same thing with your sunset, giving you all the solar data so you can plan your hunting trip. Trophy room allows you to, that's sort of your bragging room once you've bagged the big game. Weather, of course, self-explanatory. Gives you a weather trip so you know exactly how you can plan your trip. Map caching right here, so you can kind of mark spaces that you're at. Little geo hunting there, if you will. So you get the idea right there. It is called Recon Hunt. It's from Cabela's, the world's foremost outfitters. They have taken an app that is in other forms and made this one specifically for you hunters for $4.99 in the sports category at the App Store. Thanks for watching. I'm Brian Landrum on Apps for Outdoors.